Hello viewers, this is Archana Gupta and now I am come back with another playlist of civic subject under which I am going to discuss different topics of the civics which are very important from the aspect of all type of examinations. Even I believe that every person should know about these topics if he or she is living in a democratic country, okay, like in our India. So let me tell you that what are the topics I am going to cover. First topic is Parliament, under which I'll cover federal setup in India, union legislature, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, role of the Speaker of Lok Sabha, parliamentary procedure, power and function of the Parliament, relationship between the two houses, and the other important points. And the second topic will be the Union Executive, under which I'll cover the President and its elections and powers, the Vice President, Prime Minister, and Council of Ministers, and some other important points. And the third topic will be the Judiciary, under which I'll cover the Supreme Court, the High Court, and the subordinate courts, and the other important features. And the fourth one will be related to the Indian Constitution, amendment of the Constitution, and articles of the Constitution. Okay. Fifth topic will be related to important functional bodies of the government like Niti Aayog, Election Commission, CBI, CVC, etc. And the next topics will be as the national entities, making of the states and the union territories, etc. In the likewise manner, I'll cover these topics and I will also include some other topics which will give you a good insight of subject civics. So therefore, I recommend you to please subscribe the channel and press bell icon for the notifications of any latest uploaded videos. We'll try to cover it all one by one as soon as possible, and you can find the videos in playlist. So keep learning and keep growing. Thank you.